This wig from Idefine definitely gives sexy assassin, grown, rich vibes, and I am absolutely obsessed. Like the bob is bobbing. What's your name, B.O.B.? So they calling you Bob. Like this is the type of bob you have to swing around everywhere. It looks so cute, and the body is all there. So stay tuned for the unboxing and install of this wig, you guys. Elastigirl, pull yourself together. Hi guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you guys with the unboxing and install of this bob wig from Idefine. And guys, this wig is just so fun and cutesy. So like the movement is there, you guys. But Idefine actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we're going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and get into the unboxing of this wig from Idefine. Bam, 100% virgin here. Let's get into it. It should be really quick and easy because these days, all I want is just a quick and easy wig. I'm not trying to do my hair for too long. Like, I already spent enough time on my makeup, but here's the wig, you guys. Bam, we got like a little bob situation going on. Here you have two wig caps. You got the light-skinned girly wig cap and the dark brown-skinned girly wig cap, ma'am. They have like a little flyer saying Idefine, and it tells you all the features of this wig and how to care for this wig, exchange policy, all of that. So let's actually see what this wig is looking like. This should be super quick and easy, so I'm excited. Ooh, and this wig is brown. It's not just like a 1B type of black color. It's like a dark brown, so this is fun. Something a little different. And I haven't had bangs in a minute. I kind of been missing bangs just a little bit. So as you can see, this is like a nice little short bob. Okay, I'm almost nervous. It's a short bob. Like as you can see, the movement is there, honey. Look at that. Up. I'm gonna be swinging my hair everywhere, you guys. Like what? Like the movement is all there. And those are the bangs. So let's see how these bangs fall. I hope they fall cutesy. And I want to look at the inside of this wig. So it does have an elastic band, so you don't have to worry about that. And it has combs to make sure the wig is secure. It's no lace or anything, so you don't have to deal with any type of lace or anything because this is just a straight little bang wig. But like, let's see if she's giving the movement. It's all there, honey. Look at that movement. Bow. Look at it. So let's put this wig on and see what she's giving. Also, the actual elastic band has like these hooks on it, so it is adjustable. So you can make this fit if you are a bigger head girly like me. Or you can tighten it if your head is a little bit smaller. But now let's put this wig on. Oh my goodness, look at it. Oh, this is actually kind of cutesy. I look like LaToya Luckett. I look like freaking LaToya Luckett. Excuse me? This is cutesy. Hold on. Let me make sure I have the bangs all out. We're gonna play with these bangs a little bit because I like to change my bangs up. But as you can see, the hair is straight. Like the bob, they cut the mess out of this bob. Like what? Look at how perfect it's cut at the bottom. Oh my goodness. They kind of ate that. As far as the cut, yeah, they did that. But let's get these bangs given. Hold on. I guess if you wanted your bangs shorter, you could always cut them yourself. Or you could slide the wig back just a little bit. But okay, let's see. Let me get a comb. And find like a little comb or something. I have a comb on the end of my edge brush. This is cute. I feel like Prism on Dispatch. I've been playing too many games, but this is cutesy. Hold on, so let's, I would probably like kind of almost separate my bangs a little bit or something. Like, bam. That's cutesy. These bangs are kind of long though. Let me see if I pull the wig back. Make the bangs just like a little bit shorter. Do we like bangs like that? I don't know. Okay, I'll keep the bangs long. Let me pull the wig back up. So you can play with it. If you don't feel comfortable just cutting the bangs, you can play with it a little bit. So yeah, this is cutesy. And like, as you can see, this is, well, you can't really see it in this lighting, but this is like dark brown. It's not just brown. This is fun. Like if I want something super grown, I feel like I'm going undercover. I need some sunglasses. I feel like I'm going undercover with this wig. Like who is that? Huh? What? No, the movement is all there. Okay, that's kind of cutesy. I like that. Okay, yeah. I don't want the bangs just too perfect. I like them kind of open just a little bit so you can still see a little bit of my brows. And yeah, that's cutesy. Okay, Yeah, I like that. Bam. Bam. Like, I look undercover. I feel like this is like very grown, like either I am a mafia wife or I am like, this is like one of those Tyler Perry show wigs. It's giving Tyler Perry. A mafia wife, some kind of like super rich, older woman type wig is what this gives. Like, it's very rich. I need a fur coat or something. Like, okay, I define mine. But yes, you guys. Edna, is that you? I'm giving Edna. Elastigirl, pull yourself together. You talking about me? Okay. This is cutesy. This is a personality piece. Make sure to check out this wig from Idefine mine. I'm gonna make sure to link it in the description box. I'm also gonna add a code too, so definitely check that out, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and have a great day, you guys. Bye. Elastigirl, pull yourself together. Hi guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you guys with the unboxing and install of this bob wig from Idefine. And guys, this wig is just so fun and cutesy. So like the movement is there, you guys, but Idefine actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Ooh, oh, movement. What's your name, B.O.B.? So they calling you Bob? Okay, I decided to give the bob like a quick little curl too, and she's absolutely eating. She's very cutesy. Oh my goodness. Now I look like I'm in Paris. This is really cutesy. I look like an artist or something with a little curl in there. Now that's adorable. I love it. That's cute. The little curl gives it a whole different persona. That's very cutesy. Super duper cute. Okay.